Hi guys, Dan's Dollars here. A very good evening to you all. I hope you're all well at home. Here we go then, a little bit of fun for everyone over the course of the weekend. We have got another close-up coins game. 5 coins up for guessing in this video. All of them are UK circulated coins, which therefore means you can find them in your change. They are going to be on loop a little bit slower as well, so you can try and guess them properly. And again, get your 5 guesses in the comments section below. We'll check back in on Monday and we'll see if you've been lucky enough to guess them all correct. Hope you're enjoying all the videos on the channel today. Sorry this one is around half an hour late. I have just had a nap, but we'll be back on the hour every hour for the rest of the day. A true marathon today for sure on the channel. 1 video every hour, something I've never done before, but we are nearly there and at the end of the run. Again, thank you all so much for the support as always. Stay safe and as always, guys, thanks for watching.